Nicole, thanks. Well, time right now is 8:41, and as we inch closer to the holidays, many people are rethinking their traditions to reduce the risk of spreading COVID-19. Here to talk with us about it this year, about the do's and the don'ts, and how to keep you and your loved ones healthy and safe, Dr. Saria Saccocio, the Ambulatory Chief Medical Officer at Prisma Health. Doctor, thank you for being with us again this morning.
My pleasure. Good morning.
Good morning. Now, we do know that statewide COVID numbers have been going up lately, and one question we've had in terms of Greenville County, we've seen a big spike there. Why is that the highest?
That is an excellent question. And like other communities, social gatherings, big and small, are leading to increased COVID-19 infections. We've observed fewer people wearing masks and social distancing lately. Individuals who've spent time indoor restaurant dining and at bars are more likely to test positive due to increased exposure. Also, sometimes we make the assumption we're safe by spending time with friends and family because we know them, as if it makes it less likely that they could be infected. COVID knows no stranger.
Absolutely, and that's the thing about never letting our guard down. Now, what can people do to stop the spread?
Absolutely, and that's the thing about never letting our guard down.
So we could probably all answer this. The solution is the same. It's social distancing, staying at least 6 feet apart, wearing our mask, keeping our hands clean, avoiding indoor activities with large social gatherings, and even smaller crowds pose added risk at this time when the cases are climbing.
Yeah, absolutely. We apologize. We're having some audio issues for folks at home, but we do know this is very important for folks to kind of get this information with the holidays right around the corner. We know shopping season for the holiday has already started. Stores are packed. Could this be kind of contributing to the spread of the numbers?
Absolutely. Any situation where there are people in close proximity not wearing masks, especially indoors, increases the risk of spreading COVID-19 among other viruses such as flu. Especially indoors increases the risk.
Absolutely, and that's why we want to lead into this next question is if you're going outside shopping or if you're going out eating maybe to a restaurant to enjoy some entertainment venues as well, what should you do to protect yourself, your family, loved ones, and especially others around you?
First of all, take a look around you. What do you see? Is the staff wearing masks? Are the tables spaced to allow at least 6 feet? Still, again, avoiding indoor dining and gathering, keeping your distance and wearing a mask. If it doesn't feel safe, it probably isn't. So when in doubt, spread it out.
Absolutely. Now, we do want to ask about how we keep hearing that people need to get tested if they're out and about around people and can't adhere to wearing masks or being socially distant. Help break down this kind of this requirement for us. When should someone actually get tested?
Sure. So what DHEC is recommending is that those who are out and about should test monthly. So this is something to consider for folks, even if you're not symptomatic. We know that you can be spreading COVID-19, and that is our challenge right now.
All right.
And exposed for greater than 15 minutes, a cumulative time in any 24 hours to a known individual with COVID-19, get tested, but wait. Get tested 7 days out if you're asymptomatic. That way you're most likely to identify if you're truly positive. And don't forget to remain quarantined during this time, including an additional 14-day or another 7 days rather, for a total of 14 days quarantine. This is really important. However, if you're experiencing any of the COVID-19 related symptoms such as cough, congestion, sore throat, fever, loss of taste or smell, we've all heard this one, fatigue, aches, and pains, get tested. It's so very important to get tested. And if you're planning air travel during these holiday gatherings in this time of year, there may be specific COVID-19 testing requirements and quarantining required.
Absolutely. Well, Dr. Saccocio, we appreciate the information. We appreciate you sharing that with us this morning. We know how important it is for folks planning around the holiday season. So thank you, and we'll, of course, let you get back to work. We know it's a very busy time.
All right, stay safe and COVID-free.
Yes, ma'am.